How to use WeCan Learning Platform. This is the landing page of the WeCan website. You can navigate to the WeCan Learning Platform by pressing on this link. This is the landing page of the WeCan Learning Platform. On the landing page there are several blocks. On the left-hand side there is a navigation block. In the right top area, there is a button for signing in to the platform. In the central part there is a block that shows the available courses. From this block the user can select one of the available courses. As an example, you can select the Module 1. This will navigate to the login page. If you have an account, fill in the username and password, and press the Login button. The portal will take you to the dashboard page. If you are not registered yet, press the Create New Account button. The portal will take you to the registration page. This is the registration page of the WeCan Learning Platform. On the registration page, fill in the required information and press on the Create My New Account button. The portal will take you to the Welcome page. After the registration, you will receive a confirmation mail in your inbox. If you will not receive the mail, check your spam box. To confirm your new account, please go on the provided link in the mail. This link will navigate you back to the WeCan Learning Platform. On this page you can press the Continue button. The system will navigate you to the dashboard page. On this page you can self-enroll on the required course. To self-enroll on the course, press the Enroll Me button. The system will navigate you to the page of the required module. This is the page of Module 1. On this page you can see all the content related to Module 1. To continue with the other modules, select them one by one and self-enroll on each of them.